What a beautiful, wow. They are up and down the field. Isn't that a beauty? Stay in a group. They're down, they're up, and they're gonna climb up again. I'm just near that field. They're down now, and I know they're gonna come up. Here we go, and I catch them. What a magic. Oh, there's a car coming. I hope he can see me, because I'm watching for those birds to come up again. They're not coming. Oh, here they are. Oh, what a beauty. Magic. You can see them. You're going to see them fly again. And the car just passed. And they came down. And they're up. How synchronized them. What a harmony there. Wow. They just like make a painting in the sky. Patience is the virtue. Here they're coming again. And they're flying. Just like a group. Like a symphony. Up and down, up and down. What a magic. Eyes to see, mind to enjoy. And I like those moments. Well, they're gonna catch them again behind those three. And that will be the last one. They're down and they're gonna come up. They say patience is the virtue. I don't see them. Maybe they'll come. Anyhow, that was nice.